Hi. It's Crackhead Joe. You may be wondering where I've been. I have been smoking crack. W-E-L-L. My phone broke and I stopped posting. So no crack orders. Man, I need some crack. Crack is so good. Now I'm back because I got a tablet that can run Gorbox. I miss posting vids so. So now I'm going to keep posting again. And soon I'll be able to pay for more crack. And I'll be trying new content stills to see what works. Cardio. So give me ideas, folks. But now it's up to you to choose what you want to see me do by supporting the vids. Maybe crack mukbang. But for now I'll just be doing basic skits and Gorbox reviews. H. But you should still give me ideas on what the Mac or MK will shoot me. Please don't let him shoot me. And don't forget to join the Discord. It's in my About section there to get me some crack. For now, I'll just get some crack. And subscribe or he will blow me the fuck up. What do I say next? Oh yeah. But don't forget to like. Or he will attack like crack. Me need crack. Or me will go bomb him out himself. That's all from me. Bye for now. Is that all?
Yeah.